Good morning, guys. Look at that. We have a lot of deer. Look at that. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Ayun pa yung isa, oh. Lazy today, pero tong tatlo, look at that. Mom and dad and baby. Oh, look like mom and dad. Look how big they are. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Good morning, guys. Gutom na gutom sila, oh. They're hungry. They're hungry. Yung isa, oh. Parang may sakit. May sakit ka ba? You look sick. They're tired. And look at these. These. Ah, bakit mo yan? Oh. Meron siyang ano, oh. Pag-aari ng ano. Meron siyang gutom na gutom sila, oh. Gutom na gutom sila, oh. Gutom. Sa Pilipinas, patay ka na. Ulam ka na. Dito, wala lang. Nandyan lang sa bakuran mo. You cannot touch them or else you're going to jail. Look at that. Very hungry. Kawawa naman yung isa. Why you're not eating? Are you sick? Are you sick, Pepe? Yun na, umalis na yung isa. Okay, bye guys. See ya.